This is Hermance with your Farmers Cooperative Market Update. September corn closed down this week, 6 3/4. November beans were up 4 1/4, with September wheat up 3/4. So far this week, we have a lot of new crop sales here. So we've seen a little bit of push here as we start to transition into a new marketing year for commodities. We've seen a substantial growth in the corn and beans market here, as we see a lot of that stuff start to be marketed as part of that phase 1 deal to China, with some of our corn being sold to the Middle East and some to Africa there as well. Pretty slow week here in the agricultural world. There's not a lot was really going on here, so it was mostly quiet. One thing that I've been asked about a lot this week is strengthening of the basis here throughout most of our locations. So I wanted to touch on that for a few seconds here and just mention to you guys, we've seen a strengthening of basis about 4 or 5 cents on corn and beans. The reason for that being is it's what the market's trying to dictate, a little bit of enticement by the farmers to hopefully get them to start moving things as we go into new crop season here. It's a little bit tough for guys to want to sell things right now with the futures board where it is. So hopefully with the strengthening of the basis, it's going to start to creep up on guys here to maybe start locking that in and hope for a higher futures price as we get into harvest season or closer to those December futures. So something to look forward to definitely is talking with your grain marketing advisor, having conversations about locking that in, or seeing what maybe the future holds with that, whether it be locking in a put or call to protect yourself with upside or downside as we go forward. And as always, you can call in the Dorchester office at 402-946-2211. And we're more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Again, this is Hermance with your Farmers Cooperative Market Update.